Easy Jamaican steamed fish with crackers and okra and a mixture of corn and fresh vegetables. If you want to see how I achieve this beautiful plate, continue watching. And to my lovely returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for all the support. Yes. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. My name is Nicola. Here you find Jamaican dishes and a mix of international dishes. So let's run through these ingredients. Here we have some corn, onion, garlic, bell peppers, scallion, thyme, hot pepper. We have okra. We have pimento seed. We're using coconut milk. This is all frozen. And of course, we have to use our okra. And I already prepped everything, and this is just ready for cooking. Yes. And of course, we're going to add some noodle to this. I'm looking for a fish noodle, but this is what I have available in my karshi. In karshi, we mean cupboard. And here we have some snapper fish, all clean, trimmed, and ready to cook. We also have our Jamaican tough crackers. They say water crackers. Yes, we have everything ready to go. Black pepper, complete season, and all-purpose season ready to go as well. So continue watching and enjoy the beautiful music, and I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. make sure that your broth have good taste, because after adding the fish, I wouldn't advise you to add in more seasoner stuff. That is to prevent the fish from breaking, and then it won't be a good look. Okay, so make sure that your broth is seasoned enough before adding your fish. So here I'm just adjusting my taste and make sure everything is all well. And I needed to use a fish noodle for this one, but as I mentioned earlier, I only had a cock soup in the cupboard, so I'm using a bit of that as well. And as you see, I didn't use salt because all these seasons contain salt, and the noodle that I'm using also contains salt. So hence I'm not using no salt. So now I'm just going to add my fish, add my sauce on top of them, and cover and allow them to simmer for a couple of minutes, flip, and then we can add our crackers. Continue watching and I'll come back at the end of the video. So guys, as you see, my crackers were my last ingredients, and I'm just going to allow these to soak up some of the sauce, and then it's time to serve. The smell in the kitchen, guys, and the taste were just the same. So here's a shot of my good body okra, steamed fish, and crackers. Yes, done and ready to serve, guys. Yes. And here is my finished dish. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Yes, it was. It was very delicious. Trust me on that one. And filling as well. Yes. So I hope that you did enjoy this one, and I hope that you did watch to the end. So the other thing for you guys now to do is just like the video, share the video, hype the video, and drop me a comment below. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.